If you're seeing the SU-MD-HSH manifest error in Epic Games, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This error is usually caused by leftover temporary files inside the EpicGamesLauncher, or by a proxy setting interfering with the launcher's ability to download and verify files correctly. The good news is that this is usually a simple fix, and you can do it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and PC tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to completely close EpicGamesLauncher. Look at the bottom right corner of your screen in the Windows system tray. If you don't see the icon right away, click the small up arrow to reveal the hidden tray icons, then right-click the Epic Games icon and select Exit. This is important because we want the launcher fully closed before deleting any temporary files. If it stays open in the background, the files may still be locked and the fix might not work properly. Now press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type %localappdata, % and press Enter. This will take you directly to your local app data folder, where Windows stores temporary application data for programs like EpicGamesLauncher. From here, look for the folder named EpicGamesLauncher and open it. Inside that folder, open the folder called Saved. This is where Epic stores cache and temporary web data that can sometimes become corrupted and cause the SU-MD-HSH manifest error. Once you're inside the saved folder, look for folders with names like Webcache, Webcache_4147, and Webcache_4430. Depending on your system, you may see one, two, or all of these folders, and in some cases one of them may not be present at all. That's completely normal. Right-click each of these Webcache folders and delete them. These folders contain cached launcher data, and when they get damaged or outdated, they can trigger deserialization issues and prevent Epic Games from reading the manifest correctly. After deleting those folders, close File Explorer and relaunch the Epic Games Launcher. Give it a moment to reconnect and load properly. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem because the launcher is forced to rebuild fresh cache files from scratch. If the error is gone, great, you're done. But if you can still access the launcher interface and the problem continues, there is one more setting you should check. Click your profile or username icon in the top right corner of the Epic Games Launcher, then select Settings from the menu. Scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Use Proxy. Make sure that box is completely unchecked. If a proxy script or network filter is intercepting the manifest download, Epic's update system may reject the file hash and throw this error. Disabling the proxy option ensures the launcher connects directly and verifies files properly. After that, close the settings and try your game or update again. In most cases, clearing the launcher cache and turning off proxy usage will solve the SU-MD-HSH manifest error in Epic Games. If the issue was caused by corrupted temporary files or network interception, this method should get everything working again. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy fixes, troubleshooting guides, and gaming support videos. And if you want, I can also help you with other Epic Games errors, launcher problems, or update failures in the next video.